Meat, I don't know, meat ni fish, but I'll do good food.
Meat and fish and a fufu nkwan
Light soup, light soup. Manam won't find benkwai. Manam won't find good food.
Wow.
Rich food.
I'm only a biane Powers.
Yeah. The way you asking my wife, me boo my wife. I didn't say me boo a fool or fear the family car. Now I call my pay. That's why sometimes these are the things sometimes I like advising my friend. Hey, she don't want to take. You understand me?
Which friend?
My friend Buko Banku. The reason why maybe people will think maybe you lose the fight and maybe I'm celebrating, I'm happy. These are some of the things. So yeah, these are some of the Buko Banku is my very good friend. He can be the girlfriend. He will call me, I'll go and beg the girlfriend. And if I can't say Banku, these are the things it's so good for you to do. You are a star. You understand me? Don't beat somebody. If you hear people are saying this, and they are embarrassing you, leave them. If I step, Buko will say, oh, pause, Buko be there now, be in a bull, so, Neke, they are, if they are talking, you don't talk, they will think you are stupid. And I said, it's not needed, my brother. My brother, it's not needed. You understand me? It's not needed, you have to quarrel with them. You have name more than them.
Charlie. Powers,
yeah.
And then you have a lunch.
Yeah.
Overcall.
Oh, I don't have problem.
If you say you have a lunch, you could be.
I don't have any problem.
102.5 FM.
I don't have any problem.
And now I'm in a Banku Kasa.
Yeah.
I soon appeal too much.
Oh, boss. Everybody have his whatever.
You drink appetition.
Me appetition. I drink appetition. If I drink appetition, I eat good food. If I
drink appetition, do you take appetition?
No, he doesn't take appetition.
No, I don't take appetition. By the way he's talking, I'm saying if I take appetition, I eat good food. Whereas I don't smoke cocaine, I don't smoke weed. You understand me? Everybody have his bad side.
Yeah. And I'm a person, you have a lunch, when a Bankumo, Obia, or Kikis.
Any problem?
Between the Bankune, Bushaphobia, I don't know why, may home producers, Casapa, you have a Kikis. What is the problem there? It's all Banku says, and then I'll catch him.
Oh, me, I'm not, I can't
so then I'll catch him.
Oh, even
congrats.
Oh,
congratulations.
I give him congratulations already.
Okay.
Our friend. Oh, me, mo yakasa wa say me see me congratulate me me person me advise him say on ti say obi catch him say Bastien Yibo, he should don't give a damn. He should don't mind anybody who will say that to him. You understand me?
Nice one.
Yeah.
Nice one. Oh, Banku. And then Kasapa 102.5 FM, Yakoavi Lunch, Bukom Banku, Powers, Yenina, Yako Kiki Beats, our East Legon. Banku, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Bibiabo Kodia.
Bibiabo fine.
What dress you?
Huh?
What dress you?
Me a dress in the old Ghana.
What's it dress in the
old Ghana?
Dress in the whole Ghana.
Oh, Atali. Nobody.
Oh, you need
dress in nobody.
Oh, wife.
This is not my own wedding 2006.
Oh, Mrs. Bacho, I'm going say a process.
Yes, I'm Gladys Kamoko.
Gladys Kamoko. Hey, Bibiabo Kodia. Oh, hairstand here, nice bar. And you have a lunch with Kiki Bees, Italy gone. It's in a matonsa at the Afrimo. Now, Gladys, time meeting or Tina. We know your special interview tomorrow. Why, Gladys? What time? We know your special. Okay, Gladys. Me fa cho mama Gladys e konyama na. Mama oba na transman. Aha. Mama na transman. Wow. Gladys. I ti say. O Bukom Banku. Aya, send our fans who fans are. Who fans are. Only maybes. Share any man, say any talker. Only maybes. I want out. I take Powers, wife, I want out. Mokasa.
Any wife is good.
One hour back.
Powers, wife.
But maybes in your one. Only maybes. Oh, okay. 102.5 FM ebusua for Buko Banku wa IT Powers wa Buko Banku ne wife aba and IT Powers wife wow Banku and then what your wife intending this
say media
ayodia open up out
radio media.
Nice. Every so for me we me ba and because of Bankuni Powers inti ya be pon aben wo ha at exactly 12:30 you are yen na ko Kiki Beans awo East Lagos King Jerry welcome be we say uswa ba na me ya we chan
me na me tina
ono beto and the amamre mu de Bankum we de we beto Denia awo ha nti we de
Matiobia misi Michiobia
Matiba unjia nsem tia nsem na nya fe nice one tia nsem wow box sex there ring muna ye ku after ring no there o ya wifey we pa cho su unjia sister maybe nsem mama nice one Banku ya kwa lunch ediane be na obedi
so nim bedadada
dia we Banku na
nim dadada
we be say obedi edi
oh dey be gra it's for talent
then your talent
Banku woni tilapia
it's your talent so obedi Banku ni tilapia no nti eno na ope obedi how many balls Banku saying
oh maybe 50 balls
Banku 50 and obedi
yes
ubetumi edi we di 50 balls da Nkiti ana akese.
Banku, I told you that he be my friend. Banku is my favorite food. At the same time, early in the morning, afternoon, and evening, at the chop. Oh, me Banku be here, he be my talent.
Now, why feel so big then?
Where Bukom, your friend Bukom Kena.
Bukom Kena.
Yes.
And then any
yes, a guy named
Bukom Kena. Bukom in Chinam.
Yes.
I don't pen Chinam pa.
They be any guy named.
Now, oh, wife when?
You see there?
Wife who shiana when?
Me didn't go school.
School bay.
Accra Royal, Jamestown. Primary school.
Yeah, bay no.
Oh, 1992. So.
1992.
Yes. 21 years marriage.
Oh, why your wife 21 years?
21 years.
That time how many years?
That time we were 4 getting to me worry 1995.
1995.
1995. Yeah, we born 1999.
1999 na only no wo. Nti only no one say
5 back one.
Oh, sorry. Now nkwala ne wan.
Omo ofie.
Awo Bukom. Kolegono.
Yeah.
Mami misa wife you. Champ one. Only the first wife. But see another one. Our year one 2 count one. Another one. Mienu. What ya say bibi aboko bibi akoye mu mienu mu chia. Mo nkontoka. Ayo koda ba ko no a enhyo.
First na ye to papa sesia ya jade bibia.
Mo ja esa say mo accept say champ die sana nyame bo no. Na aya oja wo ho no ko echi a o feel say Hwiam wo so wa fa champ echi da obeme bia wo fa champ echi da aya ni bufu
kakra
utwi no emum share dan pi ntu be kan ga odi me petwi ni say ya se okoko a ti say oni basti fight no o go really ni bout nyina ba oni basti de na nkoye de no o hwe fight no now for the say
na akuma ye mia
wakuma usunye
Yesunye
o we fight no ba ho oba fi
me say me ni na o inside na e ko fi
Oko arena. Na wo. Nti una ode ni ko fie. Mudu fie o ye ne den.
Ye bon komo kakla na ye dai.
Nkomo ben, oni mi hie nkomo ben ne nana mo.
Catch them say ade a ekofun bibi wo mu any omo e plans pendi for no omo e plans no aka ho but past year no bibi na omo report no omo muan
If we say in for Ghana Boxing Authority,
GBA
say some person Banku Lucy fighting.
But try
there now Ujina so they can say.
Sir, media mitna baby Banku Conan mitna second road who they always say past year bibi na Banku or the Chileno left no cashew obi so cashew.
Oye den.
Say obo to ana
Nichi
ne
ribs
ana nichi obo ni ase for na Banku report mpo omo muan.
Ana obo na ya ase.
Ni ne yefum.
Na Banku report is still omo muan. It will say na ye planting on person. Ade uti say referees ne match officials no mu din komo be mu kan bibia ote ye uti bibi sa
mi ti bibi sa but the ekoso wa no bibi wo mu enti o ka che mi say okoku second fight mi say on
rematch manenko
sana mi
sixth match manenko won support say Banku be kon on the 6th of March 2018 Banku o say o yire say manku
oh we dey Obasem
Obasem.
Oh, we are Obasem.
If you won't hear the oil in the cano,
Gabi, I'm passing. My wife, as some no be catch me material, but we are Obasem. I'll go to fire return fight.
We should see men call. All advice is say, Koisan say,
or no, catch us away there, Obasem. So, Obadi Omudia, oh, they do not get serious at me. I have heart. I'm the world leader.
Ofu say fight no ye sisi still because many Dr. Kwe akasa or say any on stop a fight no but catch a referee say oh bleedy too much na on stop it na who say referee so on stop it until say round 7 o to form now sorry here no
o 7 dey mean to form
sena na
3 na mean to form
sena na o 90 no
yeah
asina ohun 90 ni ma na enkoyie
oh ni maza so obi 90 onkoyie unim say clipo ma aga unim so obi 90 no 90 ya clipo ma say fa hun
oya cripple
misu so o say mi 90 ye na mi catch no say mi ya clipo ma kra mi kun fi wo be kun yes but score card ni na say mi lady was score card ni na but and for me, they beating me, I'm forget it. I'll come and retain fight.
Why if a show pa? A show say Banku Lusu.
Master,
a show.
Master, who see the cow when they hit the laser? Oh yeah, because
and now maybe some say, oh, why accept it?
Me, I'm free. I'm said that one I tell you this or Basem. And with your Oba and your Bema, me Bema, I forget everything. I'm lose the fight. If somebody say nothing, somebody say bad thing about me, I don't care. I'm losing the fight because all the champions day for Ghana, you get to lose before. Or if today the champion himself, the legend of the boxing in Ghana are losing the fight. If somebody say nothing about me, I don't care.
Me,
I don't care.
Power.
If you jealous me, I don't care.
Obi jealous.
Master, everybody have the enemy.
Mimbo, I hate powers or jealousy. Powers.
So I mean. So be jealous of me, meaning so jealous of me, I don't care. So who hear me bibia, I don't care. And only God are the trust. And
now can be say power still obey to me any bastiako. I'll be to me winning.
So your boss or see obi no be winning or the new be say I'm lose Basti is a winner. He go challenge Basti. Me, I don't care about it. He's a boss. Maybe if you train here, they can win. So be some
Matthew ohun sem bebre say o ye romantic pa mama mi sa wife ya no pre ye so ye romantic empemu na de banku ye romantic pa o chow kisses.
It's true. Some to me come.
I don't know. It's true, sir.
Maybe on to me come. Where you say who pushing on come? When you on pekasa. Where you on pekasa? Oh me there.
Okay. I only know one enum kissing pa. Kissing.
Oh, every time me I dey in forward. Oh, this one don't know nothing.
But why for him?
Oh, you can see keke.
Why fi sa? On kika on one pem.
Oh, honestly, me catch you.
Oh, on use skills, ties be out.
Yes, she. They be our dog bomb.
Oh, Banku. No cross him now, can.
Oh, I tell you.
On dog bomb.
I'm not lie you. If you sleep, is sleep.
But now you be out.
But to me, why, Brahma? No, I love you. You can't do that for me. Me, I like the noise.
You like the noise?
Oh, I like noise and the sound. Oh yeah, Banku, kill me. I love you. Oh yeah, I like that sound. But to me, usually.
Oh, why if you had an house where sir? Maybe who to me hear noise, who to me powers noise.
Manu kasankai.
They do to us amount noise. Amount sound.
Sound there, I was sound.
Kasa good mic.
As for sound there, my wife there on my papa.
The sound here there.
The sound there clear.
Saying.
Oh baby. And especially, you know, me and him, we call each other Kuchi. And sometimes if you mention Kuchi, they kill me. Kuchi, slowly. I'll do it slowly.
My so sana maybe so power see maybe see an owl Kuchi. I don't know to me yes sir. Ade, wife.
Maybe oye Banku no person on can carry.
Banku can
carry oye.
Banku person be carry.
Banku person be can and carry.
Me Mic no me.
Me. Oh, Banku so car. If you be chasing into on car.
So the Banku. Yeah. I say person crofo say oyire ye good one people be able chasing no.
Oh. Me catch you and other thing I will believe in. Me see me wife no nyeshu.
Sir, the name scarce is here. Amama kai papa bi wo kofo dia won. Oyare ye no ba bewu. Aba bewu na osu oh me yare you. Me yare na o mi say yare ben o say me ace you. Sa no aboa. So fi say so owu a obi be fa ne yire no. Nti so we nya esa ne yire so ace. So no me ace you. Bankoni mi la ya.
Oh yes sir. I don't tell you the secret. But I open the flag for you. My wife, you don't know nothing. But me on the professional.
Okay, where your first wife, second wife in this way?
Oh, only she ground. But
the other colleague on the one.
They we no.
Only day.
Oh, wait your moon issue. But me third wife is the professional and the capital of Ghana.
Oh no, why?
And Stella Tete says my foreman. She say Ajay.
Stella Tete.
Yes.
Oh, you skills pa.
Yes.
Then or
your capital of the field.
How are you then?
This case now open is I know here.
So person who me a virgin.
Who was said is any
Oh, Banku me a virgin.
Okay, and yes we. Only your on this case pa.
And now they own tradition wa ha no say.
Why?
Kitwa.
Send me the no Ajay. She say me
first no. And no.
No dia we girlfriend enye.
Oh dear. Who feeling the power?
And you was
who feeling the power? King Jerry. Banku.
Yeah.
My embra and the lunch I kwa ha. Unse mpi fo bebre atonsa se bra me fam and na unse ye ko ye boss obola na bibia yo ye ko kiki bees. na boys a odi omo bae no wan ne wan mu sa na ye ne omo ko
oh omo wa abontinu
wan ne wan me hu King Jerry wa ha e na we wan ni
well Adams
yeah me ba jo guys we before we ba na many powers can be the person mu me mu ntem because you've been friends before, you don't have to be fighting mobile radio. So now mama Ghana boxing. What's the mama Ghana boxing? Now you're popular pa. Say pa me pa mocho.
Master. See assembly.
Okay.
Powers no. Me do me fine. O see obi be catch you say. Me see okotonika. Mon catch powers no say. On friends, on catch me say. We no catch them go bisa. Onu pa no asen.
And they to kwa ne buy.
There be o see me go catch obi say watonika.
Watonika.
Watonika. But asem no kan bo mi ntira. Mi catch you. O person o chie mi onipa ni no kan say buko banku oligido any King Jerry no catch me say. Mi catch no ti o mi ti say powers can be say Basti bebu mi wa call ni gym wa call ni mbisa no asem because maybe onupa no catch me say onupa no catch me asem maybe he's lying mo wa asem
o fight no power is the oba ofi oba training grounds or
yes oba said twice
I know kasai
odimi kasai
on my advice
he give me advice
or chiao tactics so we issue
that be on can fight no but over show me training no catch me say me model me if somebody go me against crowd don't care I'm a state champion
but I say so o two for your man advice won tie obia
so our advice on teaching you and you know where my advice me we really know where to know my advice and I taking my whole virgin or is powers want to give somebody advice he give their whole self.
Oh, but if we took kakra from a brother,
listen to me. Me, I don't listen to anybody advice. If it's something, if I do something, I will do. If I don't do, I'm not do. Me, my own self give myself advice. Somebody will give you advice. You can go to the shame. Somebody will give you advice. It's good for you. But me, I don't listen to anybody. What advice? If it's somebody, come on, go to pay. Tafra, you want penny too. Hello, me, ni going no waji. I don't waji mo go no. Well, me, I don't listen to anybody advice. If somebody have advice, take your own self. Power is simple.
Or both twice. Or kokuma. Who are both twice? No, who between it for advice when I watch the man.
Oh, the thing is, you know, Bukumangu is my friend. And me, before me, I go to Basis corner. I will go to Basis gym. I came to his gym. You understand me? And the time I went to his gym and the way he trained, even not only me and Oligijo. And we went to Basti's gym, and when we saw what Basti is doing, and I said, the way Basti is doing, this fight will be shaking. But from the beginning, I hear that the fight is coming on, and by then I don't look Bukumangu training and Basti training. What I'm telling all my friends that there's nothing Basti will do to beat Bukumangu, because Banku have the huge, he have the body and he have the punch. So I don't think Basti will beat Banku. And even if I went to Choba, we are eating together. People have been asking me, Tari, how are you going to see Banku? And I said, no, never. Basti cannot beat Buko Banku. If Basti is able to beat Buko Banku, then that means God wants to prove to Buko Bante about some certain things. You understand me? God wants to let Buko Banku know some certain things, because Buko Banku is my good friend. How can Buko Banku, today is here and I want to say this, how can Buko Banku open their mouth and tell me that there's no God? Buko Banku will open the whole mouth and tell me there's no God. I said, Banku, don't talk like that. Why there's no God?
Banku, what can I say on that? Say, be in your
own tears here. Mother, God say, let's create to the man is our whole image. Well, if you see the man, you see the God. We don't have any spirit they call him God. As a man, you are God, because I'm a spirit.
That is what he said.
Listen to me, I'm the spirit of God. Baby,